Today, we're going to be talking about the Credit One Wonder card. Now, this card is designed for travelers, but it comes with a few catches you need to know. Now, this card earns 10x points on eligible hotels and rental cars booked through the Credit One portal, 5x points on dining, gas, and even travel. Now, this obviously will go ahead and depend on you and how you choose to, work along with it accordingly to yourself. And the best part about this is the main general use of it. The best part about this is how easy it actually makes your life when you are pretty much, getting into the general use. And moving on, the annual fee is around $95, and while the rewards sound good, the downside is that Credit One's point system is less flexible than competitors. Redemptions are mostly limited to statement credits or gift cards. Now, the truth you should know is that the Wonder card is more attractive for people who want a mid tier travel card but can't qualify for premium ones like Chase Sapphire Preferred. These reward rates are high in some categories, but the redemption options are more limited. Always read the fine print before applying.